Hey guys, it's Maymay. So this is a photo folio, and I have taught it twice in the past couple of months. And every time I teach it, someone says to me, I didn't realize you were having a class, and they miss out on those two classes. So what we've done is we've added a third class. It's the last one we'll be doing of this photo folio. And since I've not done this, I thought I'd do a standalone video to show you the project and to invite you to take the class. I don't know how many seats are left at this point, but I don't want you to miss out in case I'm not telling everybody. I feel like I'm telling everybody, but I must be missing it. So this is the photo folio. It closes with a belly band, as you can see here. And then when you open it, you'll see on the front page, we have a pocket that holds photo mats or journaling. And then when you open it again, this is our centerfold with a pocket here as well as here for your journaling, your photo mats, your photo books. Look at this little book that we make that you can put inside. And a lot of spots, a lot of real estate for photos, but that's not it. It opens again to give you pockets here with photo mats, and then again with pockets and pockets and photo mats. I just think this is the cutest little thing to hold all your winter pictures. And if you're like us and you had a recent snow, I bet you got some pictures to fill this little guy up. And if you'd like to take the class that comes with the kit for everything you see here, I'll have a link in the description below. When you sign up for the class, we mail the kit to you as well as a link to the YouTube live stream that comes by email, and then you can attend the class. It's about a 2 hour and 15-minute class, but we have super fun. We make this little guy, and even if you're like, I don't know if I want to make that little guy, come in, you might learn some tips or tricks, and you can make it as a gift for someone else, and I think they'd really like it. So be sure to join us in our last class. It is March the 1st at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it is the last one we'll do with this kit. So if you've already taken the Winter Folio class and would like more classes like this, let me know in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing some of you guys that haven't taken it yet, March the 1st at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, link in the description below. Thanks so much. Till next time. Bye now.